What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to optimize your network adapter for higher speeds and lower latency. These settings can significantly reduce ping, lower input delay, and boost overall internet performance. Search for View Network Connections in your Start menu and hit Enter. You will see a list of available network interfaces. This usually includes Wi-Fi and Ethernet. Whether you're using Ethernet or Wi-Fi, the next steps are the same. Just right-click on the active connection you're using and select Properties. In the Properties window, uncheck everything except QoS Packet Scheduler and Internet Protocol version 4. These are essential and should stay enabled. Then, click the Configure button near the top. Go to the Power Management tab and disable any options that allow the computer to turn off the device to save power. Now switch to the Advanced tab. This is where most of the optimization happens. We will go through the most common settings you should modify for best performance. ARP offload disabled. Energy efficient Ethernet disabled. Flow control disabled. Interrupt moderation disabled. IPv4 checksum offload disabled. Jumbo frames set to the highest value if enabled. Large send offload v2, IPv4 and IPv6 disabled. NS offload disabled. Packets priority and VLAN enabled. Receive buffers. Enable a high number like 10,000. If the system throws an error, it will suggest a valid range. Use the maximum value within that range for best performance. Speed and duplex. Choose the highest full duplex option available. For example, 1 gigabits per second full duplex or 2.5 gigabits per second full duplex if supported. TCP checksum offload, IPv4 and IPv6 disabled. Transmit buffers. Enable a high number like 10,000. If the system throws an error, it will suggest a valid range again. Use the maximum value within that range for best performance. UDP checksum offload disabled. VLAN ID set to 0. Wake on magic packet disabled. Wake on pattern match disabled. WOL and shutdown link speed default. Once you've applied all of these changes, restart your PC to make sure everything kicks in properly. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.